Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Now, did you get frustrated over the last year about trying to find cleaning wipes? There seemed to be a premium. Well, I found a recipe that I've been using over the last recipe DIY project over the last year to help get me through, and thankfully I've not run out of them. Well, first of all, I started with a coffee container. You want a decent sized one. This one was it's not going to tell me, but 32 ounce. Then you're going to take a roll of paper towels, use a bread knife and cut it in half. Now this is just a regular roll. I prefer the jumbo roll, but this is just what we got the last time. Then I'm going to take 1 cup of water and add half a cup of vinegar, just a white vinegar, or you can even use the cleaning vinegar, it works well. And then it calls for 1 teaspoon of dish soap, but I use the On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. This is going to be used on doing your dishes as well. So we're going to put 1 teaspoon of dish soap in there, or your On Guard Concentrated Cleaner. And then to that, we're also going to add 5 to 10 drops of essential oil. But since I've used the On Guard Cleaner, I'm going to use the On Guard Protective Blend. And I usually put the 10 drops in. I'm just going to mix it up. And then you take your mixture and you're going to pour it over your paper towel roll. All over the top, even down the middle. And then put your lid on. And you're going to let it sit for maybe about 5 minutes or so. Sometimes I sit it this way, sometimes I tip it this way for a little while. What you're waiting for is for the cardboard roll in the center to get saturated enough. And then you can carefully pull out that center roll. Comes out easily once it's wet. And then you can just pull from the center of your towels. And just pull them out and use them. Like I said, I prefer the bigger jumbo roll of paper towels, as long as it's in your canister. And then I use them for wiping up everything. It's non-toxic, so you don't have to worry about, your kids or your pets touching or licking anything afterwards. May not taste as great with the cleaner in it, but it's not toxic. It's not going to harm anybody. It's not going to harm any surfaces. But it does clean just as well as over-the-counter wipes. And I prefer this. It smells great. It smells like cinnamon and cloves. And I'll come up with some other DIY short videos for you soon. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.